What is a solar battery? A solar battery is one that receives its electrical power with the sunshine or from various other mild source in the usage of photovoltaics. Usually, a solar-powered battery is implanted in a digital product rather than able to becoming removed. A photovoltaic-driven battery is generally capable of absolutely charging immediately after just an hour or so or two of exposure to daylight. The surest proof of a solar battery can be an assortment of solar cells, generally inside of a line or maybe within a block, somewhere over the system. These cells acquire the light and induce electrons and semiconductors to start to transfer along that semiconductor also to steel contacts. As soon as at these metallic contacts, the strength produced can then be stored in a very solar cell, or it could be placed to direct use. If that electrical power is saved, the solar-run battery will discharge it at the suitable time. As an example, the time can be when it really is turned on by a person, or it may well appear on routinely. As with some lighting purposes, the ability is then drawn in the photovoltaic battery very similar to it would be another battery. The categories of solar batteries most frequently employed are lead-acid and nickel-cadmium. The guide-acid batteries are more affordable, but come with a variety of limitations, such as not with the ability to be completely discharged. Nickel-cadmium batteries do not have these constraints, but are usually dearer. Eventually, offer the sturdiness in the battery. This can be one of the most cost-effective possibility. Most items with a photovoltaic-powered battery will make full use of nickel-cadmium. Although much chat continues to be built regarding the potential of photovoltaic energy in its place power resource, there are several negatives to solar power. Currently, the technological innovation is mainly utilized only for scaled-down electronic apps. While it might be feasible to develop a solar power process which will handle house energy desires, the photovoltaic-powered batteries needed can be immense. There are actually techniques out there, but they may be prohibitively expensive for many people. Despite these restrictions, the solar-driven battery has several practical employs. It can be employed for lighting, as previously described. In this instance, it will save the landscaper from having to operate wires to lights. That may be a substantial inconvenience. Furthermore, the electricity gained is cost-free. Other purposes contain calculators and carrying shows. However, people wishing to use this technological innovation using a calculator should really make certain it's got a solar battery. Quite a few calculators merely transform mild to electrical power for quick use but haven't any capability to retail outlet that power.